Welcome to learningBOX. Whether you're new to e-learning or familiar, this video will guide you through the basics of using learningBOX. While your educator's specific settings might cause slight variations in appearance or layout, the fundamental steps for logging in, learning content, and checking your grades remain the same. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, you need your learningBOX access URL, ID, and initial password, which will be provided from your educator via email or other means. If you haven't received them yet, please contact your educator. Alright, let's click the URL and enter your ID and password on the login screen to log in. Now, this is your dashboard. From here, you'll be able to access and learn all the content that's been assigned to you. At Grades, you can check your learning history and review your scores and grades. And right here is a message box where you communicate with your educators and other users. Now let's start learning. Click on Select a Course. Here, you'll see a list of all the courses that have been assigned to you. They're organized into folders. Let's click one to take a look inside. You can scroll down to see all the content included in this course. You'll notice some content is grayed out. That's because you'll need to complete certain requirements before you can move on to those sections. To check the requirement, click this button. To begin this course, you can either click the Start button at the top or simply click on the very first content. This is a multiple-choice quiz. Read the question. Select what you believe is the correct answer from the options below. And then click to submit. Depending on the settings, you may immediately see if your answer is correct or incorrect. Your instructor might also have prepared explanations that you can review after answering. Click Next to move on to the next question. Once you've finished answering all the quiz questions, you can view your results screen and review your answers. Now, let's look at your learning progress and grades. Click on Check Grades. Your most recent learning data will be displayed. You can use the search box to select specific content, learning periods, or learning statuses to find and review the grades for the content you want to check. You can check your learning progress with the completion status. For example, if you want to see if there's any content you haven't started yet, click Not Attempted. Let's look at the detailed results of the quiz you just took. Click the Details button. Green indicates correctly answered questions, while red shows incorrect ones. Next, click the Progress Record tab. Here, you can view your learning volume in a graph. You can also check your progress per content item. If you go to the Tags tab and your quizzes have tags, you can see your correct answer rate for each tag. This is really helpful for identifying your weak points. That's how you can proceed with your learning in learningBOX. We hope this was helpful. Now, it's time to begin your studies. Good luck!